Okay, ready? Okay, hello everyone. My name is Full Moon Khoi. So welcome everyone, and into the class, let's learn about this topic, which is very interesting and it is very practical in our real life also. So in today's class, we will learn about the sectors of Indian economics. How many sectors are there in the Indian economics? Basically, there are three sectors, right? So the first sectors of the Indian economics is primary sector, and the second one is secondary sector and tertiary sector. So what is secondary sector? Secondary sector, no, what is a primary sector? Primary sector is basically any things or any jobs or any activities that we are doing which is related directly to the environment or nature, which we depend directly to the nature. For example, like farmers depend the land for on the rain for cultivating vegetables, crops, right? And then secondary sector is the process in which the raw material are converted into a finishing product. For example, sugar cane is converted into sugar. Okay, and then what is tertiary sector? Tertiary sector is the activities in which they practice, for example, like uh, transportation, banking. They give you the service. Okay, they give you the service, they provide you the service. Doctor also take care the patients, they heal the patient, so they give the service. Okay, so into the class we learn only this much. So your task, some activities which is related to primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. Thank you.